Grocery shopping.
Good morning. Welcome to Fresh Market. How are you today?
Good morning, Mike. I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Are you looking for anything special today?
Yes, I need to buy some groceries. I want to save money today, so I'm looking for good deals.
Perfect. Today we have some great sales. Come with me. I can help you find everything.
Wow, that's wonderful. I need some vegetables. Where are the carrots?
The carrots are over there on the left. See? Those orange ones.
Thank you. How much are the carrots? Are they on sale?
Yes, they are on sale today. They were $3.99 per pound. Now they are only $2.79.
Excellent. That's a good discount. What about the apples?
The apples are also on sale. Buy 2 pounds, get 1 pound free.
Perfect. I'll take some apples and carrots. Do you have lettuce?
Of course. The lettuce is right here. It's very fresh. What about bananas?
Yes, I need bananas too. How much are they?
The bananas are 69 cents per pound, and they're on sale this week. 20% off.
Wonderful. I'll take these. Now I need to find milk, bread, and cheese.
Great. Let me show you where those are.
It's cold here.
Yes, we keep the milk and cheese cold. What kind of milk do you need? We have whole milk, low-fat milk, and almond milk.
I need 2 gallons of low-fat milk. How much is 1 gallon?
1 gallon is $3.49, but we have a special offer. Buy one, get one half price.
That's a good deal. Okay, I'll take 2 gallons. What about the cheese? How much is the cheddar cheese?
The cheddar cheese is $5.99 for a pound. This one is on sale for $4.49.
That's $1.50 off. I'll take one. Can I check the expiration date?
Of course, it's very important to check. This one expires on July 15th. That's 1 month from now.
Perfect. That's good. Now I need bread.
The bread is in aisle 3. It's near the bakery. Let's go.
There are many kinds of bread. Which one is good for the budget?
This whole wheat bread is on sale. It was $3.99. Now it's $2.49. It's also very healthy.
Great. I like whole wheat. Is this the expiration date? March 20th? That's tomorrow.
Oh, sorry. Let me get you a fresh one. Here, this one expires March 25th. Better.
Perfect. Thank you. I think I have everything I need.
Wait, do you have any coupons? We have some good coupons today.
I do. I have some coupons at home, but I also have my phone. Do you have digital coupons?
Yes, we have many digital coupons. Let me show you our app. Here, look. We have coupons for bananas, 50 cents off, and one for cheese, $1 off.
That's fantastic. How do I use these coupons?
Just click Add to Cart on the app. Then, at checkout, tell the cashier you have digital coupons. It's very easy.
Perfect. I'll add these coupons. Can I use my paper coupons too?
Yes, of course. You can use both digital and paper coupons. The cashier will accept them.
Excellent. How much money can I save with coupons?
Today you have 50 cents off bananas, $1 off cheese, and $1.50 off bread. That's $3 total.
$3. That's great. Now I'm ready to go to the checkout.
Hi there. How are you? Did you find everything?
Yes, Mike helped me find all the sales. I'm very happy.
Wonderful. Put your items here, please. Do you have any coupons today?
Yes, I have digital coupons on my phone. I also have paper coupons here.
Perfect. Let me scan them. First, let me scan the digital coupons with my device. Great. I've added the digital coupons. Now your paper coupons, please.
Here they are.
Excellent. All your coupons are added. Let me finish scanning your items. Okay, your subtotal is $21.04. With the coupons, your total is now $18.04.
Wow, I saved $3. That's excellent. How do you want me to pay?
We accept cash, credit card, and debit card. Which do you prefer?
I'll pay with my debit card, please.
Perfect. Please insert your card here. Great. Your transaction is complete. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please. I want to check my savings.
Here you are. Have a wonderful day.
Hi, Lisa. I see you finished shopping. How do you feel?
I feel great. I saved a lot of money today. This store is wonderful.
Thank you. Please come back next week. We have more sales coming.
I will. Goodbye, Mike. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Goodbye, Lisa. Have a great day.